Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a Roblox account for free. What you need to do, just go to Google and type sign up Roblox. Click here. And then just fill out the information. Your birthday. Username, don't use your real name. Just you can use any name. For example, Tiger 21. This username is already in use. Okay. I can type I'm Tiger. I'm Tiger 21. The password, minimum length 8. And be sure to choose a password that you can remember it. Then gender. And sign up. If you use this computer, you can save it, but if other people they use it with you, I don't recommend you to save it. Anyway, this is my own computer, but I will not save it. It's already signed up. And I recommend you to go to setting before you start to do anything. To add phone number and email address. In case you forget your password or username, then just you can recover it by your phone number or email address. Yeah guys, this is what I want to share with you today. If this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, any idea, any suggestion, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.